shit. Well, let's just hope it's not one of them. Especially not that one. I want that one.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, that's worse. Mmm. 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 Looks like we got trouble.
Let's go to work.
Oh, I think that might be it. I don't know why. I think that's it. Come on, let's load the bags up with money and let's get out of here.
New. Excellent. No, not again. We're here doing a little service on this and put this in our van 3 or 4 years ago. Kit here, but over here. So this has got water. I think it's an old Franke one. And the customer wants me to fit one of these Franke units. So this has got a filter and assembly section there, and then it's got a separate heater which is there. So what I'm doing is I'm freezing these pipes whilst I do the service. That way I can put 2 isolations on and crack on with this straight after. So big old unit for 5 litres. But that can be orientated flat, so not bad at all. So you can see 2 nicely frozen pipes there, and an even better one over there. So now I can cut this. Okay, so you've got a tap, heater, unit, 2 massive towels that come out, adapter for UK hose, 2 hoses, bracket, European, English power supply, and then you've got this gubbins, which is a central, I guess, manifold, filter, strap-on boss for the waste, lever, all sorts, and a full in-depth manual. So that's the Franke one. It means that you're getting some hot water before you get the cold. Tap it to accept. So this is what you're letting yourself in for. You want to become a plumber. Suicide ladder. Tiniest loft space you've ever seen. So you're going to have to kick over to there because we're off the wall. So let's try it. And then you've got to try and get through this space here, which the tanks are above us. And you've got that tiny little space to get through. Wiggle. Nah. Come a plumber, they said. Just change the taps, they said. Be a piece of cake. Just pull the bath panel off. Piece of cake. I think I'll leave this one. Clever, clever. Nice. That'll be from up there then. So we change that seal. Service, yes I am. Serviced. Serviced. That'll be 8 litres then. Perfect. So you can see here where it's completely flat, there's no radius on it. That means that's completely gone. Hence why it's leaking from there and dropping down onto there. Probably one of the most valuable tools as a breakdown engineer. Boy. That's one. That's two. Oh, fuck. Minus 22. Okay, so undo the Allen key. That's completely out. So this is a replacement. So yeah, that's fine. Not sure where that's for. Clearly not sure about those. Okay, so that's your new one. Groove at the back. Yeah. Simple. Just push down. Take your screw. job's Bart. Fucking hell. Standard. You are kidding me, right? That's not on, mate. So this is mains boosted monsoon, and this is the cold from the mains. It's better on the cold. Which is nice. Another one. Yeah. Okay, so do a little test. Potable water, heating water. Listen to the difference. Solid, tinny, air, no air. Time to pump up, get a sweat on. Name that tune. Different? 3 bar. Last orders, please. When you're not sure what the hell to say to the customer about but other than that, quite a nice install. Bit of flexi. My guess is that that's for filling up the system. It's in the basement, so big old Keston. But yeah. Oh no, the one radiator. Sorry, long day. The one radiator valve it doesn't put on is whatever this is. Yeah. Don't very often use these, but let's give it a go. Oh. So that's live and neutral reversed. Yeah. Yep, that's nice. Quality. Mega flow. Let's check. Excellent. And no power here. Fucking job.
Leave it on for a little while. Then after when it's cold to water come,
around and something just ain't right. Got a bit of water then. So there's a leak coming through there, and there are no flue screws in there, which there should be. But if you look down on here, it's clearly been leaking for quite some time. It's all over the floor, and that's all coming from that flue. What do I use mine for? Well, here you go. Here we go again. Loads of it. So let's see just how dirty this Spirotect is after years of neglect. So, as per usual, no dirt ever comes out of these, and that's my opinion. Put a valve at the top, at the bottom, disassemble this, it'll be full of muck, 100%. Main Elite. Something somehow ain't quite right there, is it? So with my little plug, let's check this diverter. won't move, even with my plug, won't move at all. So, just a service, eh? We're certainly going to need one of these if you're doing a backsea. If you're going to do a backsea vessel, because that won't fit in there. Yeah. So what you need is one of these, which if I'm right, they stick these on the new versions, which allows it to come out there. So get yourself one of these angled. Yeah. So what I've made is this little gizmo for the back seats, and the idea is that you can use it for power flushing, but you can also, when you fit these, make sure that they have got the movement in them, because I've been pressing this up and down for about a couple of minutes and it kept locking when I put it in. So something you need to check when you're redoing these.